is Jen Edin here, founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. God, I love saying that 20 years later, and I've created something, 5 steps to get you unaddicted to sugar. And speaking of getting unaddicted to sugar, I would love to share with you why you're exercising, ladies, and some gentlemen, and you're not losing weight. And I typically refer to midlife because I don't know about you, but when I was in my 20s, skip a meal, eat some froyo, exercise twice a day, 5 pounds off tomorrow. Now skip a meal, dear God, dare we eat some froyo? You can't exercise twice because you're exhausted, and the scale is up 5 pounds, forget down. And so I'm here today to talk to you about what is going on with Jen. I exercise and I don't lose weight. And so get this, there's 2 major factors, like me or not. It's your diet and it's your stress levels. It's your diet. I know women come see me. If I had a nickel for every woman that says, but I eat healthy. Listen, healthy for you isn't healthy for me. And skipping breakfast is not healthy. And yogurt with granola is sugar on sugar. And you can't skip meals. And so your diet needs to be non-food allergies for you. You need to not be skipping breakfast. I need you to eat 3 meals a day to stabilize your blood sugar, to allow your body to want to draw from your fat cells for energy, also known as losing weight. Yes. And I need your stress levels down. I know that's the last thing people talk about because it's always diet, exercise, macros, calorie cutting. Not for our age. Okay. If your stress is up, heart rate elevated, marriage on the rocks, sick elderly parent you're taking care of, a career you don't love, stressful boss, you're the boss, and you've got client stuff, financial stuff, right? I could go on and on. If you're a mom and you've got kids stuff, stress causes your cortisol levels to rise. When your cortisol levels rise, your insulin levels rise. When your insulin levels rise, everything you eat stores as fat in the body. I am so sorry to say it. And so if that's the case, then please know I can't be having you skipping meals. I need you to stabilize your blood sugar. I'm going to say it, granola, oat milk, yogurt. What are these other things that we all do? These protein shakes from Smoothie King and these Optavia shakes and bars. Loaded with chemicals, too much sugar, causing your blood sugar to spike, insulin to come out, ixnay. And number 2, your stress levels, okay? We're not losing a pound when our stress levels are up. And what we will do is we will gain poundage and we will gain it right in the midsection. And that drives you all nuts. And so please stop stressing about the exercise. Yes, it's important. Yes, I talk about it in other videos. But for today, while you exercise and you don't lose weight, you got to think about your diet and rethink that. And I need you to take your stress seriously. All right. Thank you for being here as always. If you love my stuff, you know where to find me. There's a button somewhere. And have a great day.